Here at the Geological Survey of South Australia, we've recently accepted delivery of our new HyLogger 4 machine. It is a world-leading instrument collecting reflectance data across the visible, near, shortwave infrared, mid-infrared, which is our new wavelength range, and our thermal infrared. With the machine arriving, we've had to really reevaluate our space. We've adjusted conveyors, we'll be getting new safety measures put onto those, and work through the workflows for both the HyLogger 3 and 4, which will be running in tandem in 2025. This is new cutting-edge technology that we're really excited to have here. We've had the HyLogger for about 20 years in various iterations. This is the next step forward, so this really future-proofs us. The first 6 months will be in our testing phase, working with our engineers at CoreScan powered by Epiroc, but also testing our own data, so looking at material we've previously scanned, looking at rock samples, developing a library for us and other states to utilise. What these new tools mean is that we can see individual grains within a rock, which is really exciting, has a lot of potential for things like petrogenesis and really understanding the clear mineralogy of your material. And also there is potential to explore our mid-infrared wavelength range for things like carbonates, things like oil and gas exploration. There are oils that we can see in that mid-infrared wavelength range that we've previously not been able to identify. We are able to collect really high resolution imagery of 25 micron, which is going to be really helpful for our teams who look at sedimentology and really detailed information about their sandstones and their shales. But it's not just about our machine arriving, which is very exciting and has been a culmination of a huge amount of work over many years. It's also about how we're going to deliver that data, utilise all the knowledge that we have in the survey to develop better products, higher resolution imagery, and deliver this really world-class data out to industry for everyone to use.